In this video, we want to solve for the value of a, b plus c and then get the addition of everything. Here I'm going to make this my equation 1, I'm going to make this my equation 2, and I'm going to make this my equation 3. That is the first step. Now, the first thing is multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Now, my equation 1 is ab times bc. This is going to be 2 times 3. Next is to divide by equation 3. That is, I have my ab dot bc, equation 3 is ac. So here we have 2 times 3, which is equals to 6 divided by 4. So from here, I'm going to have a cancelling out a and c cancelling out c. So here I will be left with b squared to be equals to 3 over 2. This is very important because we are coming back to this. Next is to multiply equation 1 by equation 3. Equation 1 is ab multiplied by equation 3, which is ac. This is going to be the same thing as 2 multiplied by 4. And from here, I want to divide this by 2. The objective is to get what is a squared, b squared, and c squared. So dividing this by 2 is just going to be equation 2 is bc, which is equals to 3. So from here, I'm going to have b cancelling out b, c cancelling out c. And here I have my a squared to be equals to, here I have equation 1 multiplying equation 3, which is 2 times 4, divided by 3. Here we're going to have 8 over 3. Next is to have equation 2 multiplied by equation 3. And equation 2 is bc multiplied by equation 3, which is ac. And this is 3 times 4. Dividing this by equation 2, which is bc equals to 3. Finally, from here, I'm going to have my b cancelling b, or dividing this by equation 1. You divide by equation 1, which is ab, not bc. So a cancelling out a. So from here, I'm going to have my c squared to be equals to 4. Now, we've established these facts. The next thing for us to do is to solve further. Now, to solve further, here, I'm going to have this given equation, which is our a plus b plus c squared. If you try to expand, or let's say you distribute this, this is going to be equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 in parentheses ab bc plus ac. This is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to get. So now, from the previous equation here, I have my a squared to be 8 divided by 3. So this is going to be 8 over 3. I have my b squared to be 3 over 2. And I have my c squared to be 4. plus 2 in parentheses. From the question, AB is 2, BC is 3, and AC is 4. Now, solving this mathematically here, we're going to have 8 over 3 plus 3 over 2 plus 4 plus 2 in parentheses, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, which is 9. Solving this forward, here I'm going to have 8 over 3 plus 3 over 2 plus, adding this together, here we should have, this is 4, and 2 plus 9 should be 18. A little correction from here. Coming back to this, this should be over 2 because equation 1 is 2. So this should be over 2. So instead, we have c squared to be 6. That's a little correction. So instead here, we have 6. So if you add this up, here we're going to have 24. So the LCM here is 6. 3 in 6 is 2, multiplied by 8, plus 2 in 6 is 3, multiplied by 3, plus 24. If you solve this numerator here, we're going to have 169 over 6. This is what you got, 169 over 6. Now, from that, we have our A plus B plus C squared to be 169 divided by 6. Then how do we get, from the question, we are interested in getting A plus B plus C. So finding the square root of both sides. So here we're going to have A plus B plus C to be equals to the square root of 169 is 13 divided by the square root of 6. Rationalizing both sides, that is times square root of 6, and you divide it by the square root of 6. This is going to be 13 root 6 over 6. That is the final answer of A plus B plus C. Thank you very much for watching. Follow for more videos.